Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about what is Google Ads impression cost CPM, what is Google Ads ad ranking, what is bid and bidding, what is ad score, what is landing page experience. We will talk about in this tutorial. So let's see on my screen. So Google provide two type of ads, one PPC ads or search ads, pay per click or search ad, and another is display ads or shopping ads. And what is bid and bidding? And people come on Google need to know anything or need to buy anything. We know Google is not an e-commerce platform, but people come on Google need to buy or need to know anything. So what is actually bid and bidding? So this is the best example of bid and bidding, and you can see if anyone win, so they provide big amount of Google for the ad copy ranking. So you can see 2 and 1 ranking, ad ranking between 2 and 1. 1 is win cause of 1 provide this keyword $5. So what is actually ad ranking? And we can see one here. Ad rank mean max cost per click and quality score, then depend we will see ad rank. This is the Google Ads process, ranking process. So here is Google Ads bidding strategies, and we will talk it later in a specific tutorial. So right now we know what is bid and bidding, but we don't know what is quality score and what is cost per click. So cost CPC is cost per click is, I search on Google web hosting on here, and you can see I search best web hosting, and here is suggest showing me CPC for this keyword. CPC max, these are provide max CPC for this keyword. When anyone search on Google for this best web hosting site, then they are showing some ad on here. Right now this is ad, and when anyone click this ad, max Google cost for this click $19.66, and this is the cost per click. So what is quality score, we will let you know in later. And we already know what is click-through rate, impression, click and reach. We know already about that. So this is our keyword on here, and there have this for this keyword, and we got some advertiser on here: Bluehost, HostingCard, Top 10, Namecheap and SiteGround, and they are all provide ad copy on Google for search campaign. And now I search on Google web hosting, and you can see on here A2 hosting, internet servers. But when anyone click this link, they will get a landing page. So this is actually landing page. For quality score increase, it's very helpful for this landing page cause of when anyone search on Google best web hosting, it's relevant on our ad copy, title, ad description, our extension on here. This is very relevant. That's why we got a big quality score. So let's see one live. So now I'm on running Google Ads campaign. I just click column, and then on the bottom quality score, then we will check mark quality score and landing page experience, apply it, and then we will see on here our landing page experience and quality score. Right now this is none of quality score. So you can see one here, this is our cost and this is our quality score. On here we got 10 to 10 of 10, and landing page experience on here I just click learn more, and we will get this page. Landing page experience definition on here: average, below average and average, and we get on here above average. And here is quality score. We got for this keyword we got 10 out of 10, and here is 10 out of 9 and 10 out of 10, and most of the keyword we got 10 out of 10. And here is our top cost, and here is our interaction. We will talk about later. So what is quality score? Just click learn more button, then we will get this page. And how it's calculate? It's calculate expectation, click-through rate, CTR, ad relevancy, landing page experience, expectation, CTR, ad relevancy. So this is the very important for get a big quality score. For the testing purpose, I add some max CPC one here. Bluehost said $5 for this ranking. At post hosting at tell $7 for this, and he tell top 10 $4, Namecheap $6, and SiteGround $8. And we get quality score for this keyword: Bluehost 9, Hostinger 10, and top 10 7, Namesim 5, and SiteGround 5. So what is ad rank position? I just multiplication on here: 5 into 9, 4, 5, 7 into 10, 70, 28, 30, 40. So right now the ad position is, first one is Hostinger is the first ad position, and the second one is Bluehost, third one is SiteGround, fourth one is Namesim, and fifth is top 10. So what is actual cost for Hostinger? So Hostinger give on Google $7 for cost per click, but what is actual cost for Hostinger? If you need to know Hostinger actual cost, we need to follow the second one, ad rank. So second one ad rank, I copy this Bluehost ad rank on here and divided by Hostinger quality score 10 plus 0.01 equal is our actual cost. I divide now on here 4.5, 4.51. So this is actually actual cost for Hostinger for first one rank on Google search. If you need to know what is Bluehost actual cost, so we need to know the third one, SiteGround ad rank. So SiteGround ad rank is 40 divided by, and what is actually Bluehost ad quality score. So ad quality score 9 plus 0.1 equal is our actual cost of Bluehost. Now I divided. So when I divide this 9 40, so it scored 4.44. So plus 1 is 4.45. So this is actual cost on Bluehost for ad ranking. So in this tutorial we know already bidding quality score, cost per click, what is keyword, and what is ad position, what is quality score, what is CPC, what is ad rank we know, and what is actual cost for top Google search. So hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming video, and I promise you, you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video.